CPC analyzed time to completion, efficiency, and ease of use for making sterile connections in cell therapy processing. Let's take a look at both methods side by side. During this process, the tube welder took approximately 5 minutes to warm up. During the first 15 seconds of the tube weld warm-up process, the sterile connector connection process was already completed. Once the welder was ready for operation, tubes were inserted and the start button was pressed. After the welding operation was complete, the technician removed the welded tubing for a visual inspection and then pinched the tubing outer diameter to open the flow path. The total time to complete the weld process was approximately 7 to 8 minutes from start to finish. In summary, sterile connectors are 4 to 6 times faster than tube welding, have significantly reduced training and operator time, saving approximately 80 to 90% in labor costs, and reduces costly expenses from equipment maintenance, faulty welds, and operation downtime. Please reach out to CPC for your free sample of sterile connectors that can be used in closed-system cell therapy manufacturing.